Today, my guest is Katharina Simon. She is the professor from the University of Oxford. And just now, she has finished her lecture on the anti-aging research and drug discovery rates. Her topic is about autophagy and immune activity. It's so good to have you. First, would you please briefly introduce the relationship between autophagy and aging?
So I work on autophagy in the immune system, and we have found that autophagy decreases with age in immune cells, and therefore, if you knock out autophagy in immune cells, you have a predisposition to age prematurely. So the immune system without ATGs, so molecules that are important for the autophagy pathway, you get an aged immune system.
Then how do we, especially during our daily life, how do we achieve the anti-aging effects by activating autophagy?
Now that is still not quite clear, but we think that in aged cells there's damaged molecules, damaged organelles that accumulate, and if you can reintroduce autophagy into an aged cell, you can get rid of damaged molecules and organelles, such as like what you would do with fasting. Intermittent fasting perhaps, or calorie restriction, or it's not quite clear which fasting is the best, but fasting also induces autophagy. And sports too. Yes, there is at least one paper showing very nicely that exercise reduces autophagy. I'm not sure that they've shown that in relation to aging, but we've had many talks this morning showing that exercise was very good for their healthy, long lifespan. Sure.
Fight against depression.
That could be, but I don't know if it's via autophagy.
Thank you so much. It seems that autophagy really do good to our health, but some people have said that the relationship between autophagy and cancer is really complicated. Sometimes it promotes cancer, and sometimes it fights against it. What do you think? What is your argument?
We've also done some work on cancer, and it's true that if you knock out autophagy early in the tumor growth and also initiation of tumor, then you get more tumors. But when the tumor is already established, when it's hungry and it's growing fast, then autophagy can provide nutrients to the tumor. So basically, early stages you need autophagy to decrease tumor. In later stages you want to inhibit autophagy so that the tumor doesn't grow anymore. So it has got this double-edged sword, and therefore it's quite difficult perhaps to use an autophagy modulating drug to treat cancer. But I don't think that the drugs we're talking about here, where we induce autophagy, will cause cancer. It's not really given at such high dose, and also not given chronically enough to induce cancer. But of course, if there's an ongoing cancer, I don't know if that would get worse. I haven't seen that in our studies, but it was very small studies.
It sounds that it's really a complicated situation.
Yeah, with cancer it is a complicated situation. I'm not working on cancer anymore because it became very complicated, and I don't really know what the solution is to use autophagy as a target for cancer.
Thank you so much, Dr. Simon. The answers is really fruitful to us, and we are looking forward to your brilliant research results in the future.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you for inviting me.